Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is Graphics here. Now in this video, in case you're joining me for the first time, subscribe to my channel. Okay, in this video I'll be showing you how the best way you can create like a phone mockup for you want to use it for your designs. So the first thing you just need to just bring in your phone. So you have your phone screen. Now this is a sticker in my own Pixellab. When you come to sticker, you can see the first one. So when I click on it, you can see the first one. So that's how I got mine. But however, I'll give you links to how you can download yours. I'll give you different links on how you can download some. So the next thing is, now you don't need to do something like this. Now this is not the best way. When you're doing it like this, you just position it behind this image. Okay, let's just make sure this one is here. Make sure it's at the center and lock it. Now this one to also position it to the center. All you just need to do is come to relative position, then click on this to middle one. You can see it is how small it is. So even though when you now increase the size, so now this is actually looking good, but when you see like you can see the battery status bar is not okay. See, it's not okay. Now look at the network too, it's not okay. Even though there are some interface where you just put inside your phone, this particular phone, if you just cut out, so it's not the best. So the best one is to do is just when you have this, just delete this one and bring in a shape. Then when you just bring in your shape, just make sure you position your shape like this, and you position it like this, and you do it like this. Okay, so then you just apply radius to it. Now you can give it 10. You can give the radius 10. It is quite okay. So the next thing is just come to texture, click on texture, then now go to the phone menu, click on it. Now you can see it. Let me just hide this one. You can see everywhere is showing and it is in circular form. So the next thing you just do is just move it behind the phone mockup. Now just be sure everything is in the center. Come to the position, make sure everything in the center, and this one too, it's into position, it's in the center. Then you now click on this one, click on the tool, and you image it. Now you see the battery bar is showing and also the date is showing. Now the reason you can see like part of this date is not showing just because of this particular phone mockup case I'm using. You can see it has like a black cover that shows, and that's what is blocking that the time there. It's nothing more. So this is the best way you can actually do a phone cover. I've actually before then when I just started that, I'll just come here, maybe I'll just bring in this image, then I'll just have to come to eraser and just start erasing all this side. So those are actually not good. Those are not good anyway. You just be erasing this side little by little, not to afford just be erasing this side little by little just for it to match. It's kind of very stressful. Okay, so that's all for this particular tutorial. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. We'll see you in the next video.